Each day, Americans walk up to their vehicles, completely unaware that something dangerous could be hiding right there. And it's not a broken window or a busted lock anymore. Instead, they are some alarming things to target you and your family. According to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, more than 1 million people are falling prey to these filthy tricks each year in the US alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to keep your loved ones safe from these suspicious activities. And stick around, because trick number 1, a rag on the windshield. You walk back to your Toyota, and you found a hoodie, a rag, or maybe a random piece of clothing tucked under your windshield wiper. Weird, right? But it's not random. It's calculated. This is one of the oldest yet most dangerous carjacking setups out there. Thieves use it to trigger your natural reaction, panic, because the first thing most people do is rush to pull it off, especially if it's blocking their view. And that's exactly what they're waiting for. While you step out of the car, they're hiding close by, in a shadow, behind another vehicle, or in a dim corner of the parking lot. The second you leave your Toyota running and unlocked, they strike. It only takes 5 seconds for them to jump in and drive off. These incidents have spiked near gyms, shopping malls, and train stations, anywhere people are distracted or in a hurry. And the clever part is, most drivers even start their car first to warm it up, then put it in park before stepping out. That one small move makes the thief's job effortless. Your best defense: stay calm, stay inside, lock your doors, drive to a well-lit or crowded area before checking anything. Use your mirrors or backup camera to see if it's something that might blow off on its own. This trick works because it feeds on panic. Don't give them that chance. Breathe, think, and protect yourself, because the real danger isn't the hoodie on your windshield, it's the person who put it there. Trick number 2, repeated bumps, triggering your car alarm. You wake up to the sound of your Toyota's alarm blaring again. Same time, same empty street, same annoying beep. You think, great, another faulty alarm. Don't be so sure. This could be deliberate. It's a conditioning game. Thieves bump the car gently, just enough to set off false alarms. Night after night, you get tired, annoyed, exhausted. So eventually you do it. You turn the alarm off. And the next night, the deterrent is gone. So are your doors. This trick works because it erodes your guard slowly. It looks like a glitch, feels like an annoyance, but the timing is too neat. The bumps are too regular. That's not a coincidence. Your best defense: don't assume it's broken. Don't disable the system. Check the door sensors for tampering. Check the hood latch and shock sensors. Check the battery voltage. Low power causes false triggers. Document every alarm. Note times and patterns. Call the police if it repeats at the same time. Report it. If the system is old, upgrade. Get one with smartphone alerts. That way, you know immediately. Not when you hear a neighbor's text the next morning. This scam wears you down. Don't let it. Keep the alarm on. Keep your doors locked. Keep your Toyota safe. Trick number 3, hanging hooks. You step into a restroom or a parking lot and notice a weird hook, a shiny double-prong coat hook, a fake air freshener, or a clip dangling near the driver's window. Looks harmless, innocent, ordinary, but it's not. It's a listening ear. Criminals hide tiny cameras and recorders in everyday things. Coat hooks, rear-view mirror trinkets, air fresheners, even USB chargers. They blend in. They watch. They listen. Sometimes they record how you press your key fob, the order, the rhythm, the tiny tells. Later, they use that pattern to copy your lock and unlock signals, to get inside, to steal. These gadgets show up anywhere: public restrooms, gym locker rooms, ride shares, hotel rooms, Airbnb rentals. Travelers are targets because they're tired and distracted. Thieves count on that. They rely on small details nobody notices. Your best defense? Look. Scan the area before you sit or climb in. Check hooks, vents, and odd accessories. If it's out of place, don't ignore it. Take a photo. Walk away. Tell the staff or the property owner. In dark places, use your phone flashlight. Camera lenses catch light. A tiny reflection will give them away. When renting, do a room sweep. When using ride shares, check the back seat and trunk area. This trick preys on trust. Don't let your guard down. If it doesn't belong, it's worth a closer look for your privacy and yourself. If you are enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice for my Toyota guys. Trick number 4. Black box under your car. You crouch down and see a small black box stuck under your Toyota. Looks innocent, tiny, like it could be part of the car. Don't be fooled. It's often a magnetic GPS tracker. No bigger than a deck of cards. Cheap, silent, deadly useful for thieves. They slap it under your bumper, wheel well, or near the exhaust. Then they watch, day after day, your routes. When you leave for work, when the house is empty, when the kids are at school. With that map, they pick the perfect moment. Your car, or even your home, becomes a target. These trackers cost as little as $25 online. Anyone can buy one. That's the scary part. Modern theft rings use real-time tracking to plan quick, clean hits. They don't need force. They need timing. If you find one, do not touch it. Don't yank it off. Tampering can destroy evidence. Call the police. Report it. Wait in a public, well-lit spot nearby. If you want to be proactive, use a handheld RF detector during routine checks to sniff out active signals. Check under bumpers and wheel wells after long trips or airport parking. This scam is low-tech and high-impact. Spot it early. Report it fast. Protect your family and your Toyota. Trick number 5. Hidden GPS trackers. You pull into long-term parking at the airport, rushing to catch a flight. You lock your Toyota, grab your bags, and hurry off, thinking it's safe. But airports are hunting grounds for car thieves. They walk the roads like shoppers, scanning for newer models. Their trick? Slap a tiny magnetic GPS tracker under your bumper or wheel well. Some use relay devices that catch your key fob signal, even from your suitcase, hotel room, or the airport lounge. And here's the scary part. With the right gadget, they can extend that signal up to 300 feet. Once they've cloned it, they wait. Days later, when you're gone, they stroll up, unlock your car, and drive off without breaking a thing. Sounds high-tech? It's cheaper and easier than you think. That's why airports have become prime targets. Here's how to stay one step ahead. Park near security cameras or patrol routes. Thieves hate visibility. Keep your key fobs in a Faraday pouch to block signal cloning. Before and after your trip, check under your bumpers, wheel wells, and exhaust pipe for anything magnetic or out of place. If you find something suspicious, don't touch it. Go straight to a trusted auto shop that handles vehicle electronics. It's worth it for the peace of mind. Remember, the tracker isn't the threat. The person who put it there is. So check, protect, and make sure your Toyota doesn't become their next easy pickup. Trick number 6. Coins in your door handle. You walk back to your Toyota, and the passenger door won't feel right. Maybe it clicks. Maybe it doesn't click at all. You shrug. You press the fob. Locks sound normal. But here's the catch. Someone wedged a coin in the handle. A penny, a nickel, tiny and stupid looking, but effective. That little spacer stops the latch from fully engaging. Your fob thinks the car is locked. You think the car is locked, but one door stays open. Just enough. Quiet. Invisible. You walk away. You leave your stuff, maybe your keys. They come back later, softly. Open the unlocked door. Phones, laptops, briefcases, or the whole car if the keys are inside. No broken glass, no dramatic smash, just a clean, calm theft. This happens in new lots, at events, outside restaurants, anywhere people assume they're safe. Your best defense. Don't assume the beep means locked. Lock the car. Walk around once. Give the passenger handle a firm tug. If it moves, fix it now. If your Toyota flashes a light when locked, look for that blink. Visual confirmation helps. 10 seconds. One quick loop. That's all it takes. Ignore the coin. Don't be fooled by small things. Protect your gear. Protect your keys. Protect your peace of mind. Because the danger isn't the shiny penny. It's the person who put it there. Trick number 7. Fender accident. You're stopped at a red light. Everything's calm until bam! A soft hit from behind. You glance in the mirror. A driver waves, looking sorry, maybe even friendly. Just a small bump, right? You put your Toyota in park. Step out to check the damage. Maybe you even leave the engine running. That's when it happens. The moment you step away, a second person, their partner, slips into your driver's seat. In seconds, they're gone. Your car, your phone, your wallet, your entire day vanished in under 15 seconds. This scam is spreading fast in congested cities, where people are distracted and surveillance is thin. It feels harmless because it looks like an accident, but it's a setup, carefully timed and perfectly acted. Your best defense? Turn off the engine before you get out. Take the keys, always. Lock every door the second you step outside. If you can, snap a quick photo of their license plate before you open your door. And here's a pro move. Install a dual dash cam with parking and impact mode. It records everything. Fake fender benders, scammers, and even legit accidents for your insurance. This trick works because it preys on politeness. Stay calm, but stay smart, because not every sorry driver means well, and that gentle tap could be the start of a fast, expensive nightmare. Now, how to keep yourself safe? You think you can get it back if it's stolen? Think again. By the time thieves drive off with your Toyota, the clock is already ticking. The NICB says many stolen cars are stripped for parts or shipped overseas within 48 hours. 48 hours. That's all it takes. So prevention isn't optional. It's everything. Make your car a pain to steal. Make it boring. Make it slow. Make it visible. Use a bright steering wheel lock, something obvious like the club. Thieves hate attention. A visible device makes them move on. Fit a dash cam with parking mode. It records while you're away and helps with insurance. Keep your key fob away from windows and doors. Relay thieves can clone fobs through walls. When you park on a street, angle your wheels toward the curb. Towing becomes harder. Don't park in the same exact spot every day. Patterns are an invitation. Want the heavy-duty stuff? Add a kill switch or an engine immobilizer. These aren't flashy. They're effective. They stop thieves in their tracks. This isn't about paranoia. It's about making smart choices. Because once the thieves move, recovery turns into a race you're unlikely to win. Lock it, hide the fob, add visible deterrence, and give thieves as little reason to touch your Toyota as possible. Prevention wins. Always. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this one, where I'm sharing hidden Japanese tricks to keep your car running even after 700,000 plus miles.